Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Wide Loop Byte. Today we are going to see how to resolve fatal error lv_conf.h file, no such file or directory while using LVGL library. Okay, so let us get started step by step. This is our code. Now I will click on compile. Okay, you can see the error is fatal error lv_conf.h, no such file or directory. Okay, to fix it, I will go to document, then Arduino, then libraries, then click on LVGL. There is a file lv_conf_template.h. Copy it and paste outside of LVGL folder. Okay, it will be inside libraries folder, and let us open. Make one changes 0 to 1 to enable the content and save and close. Okay, now rename it lv_conf.h. Okay, now go to project and click on compile again. Okay, it is compiling. Okay, you can see code has been compiled successfully. Okay friends, there is another way. I will tell you how to resolve using another way. Okay, go to again that libraries folder and I will remove lv_conf.h file from here and paste into project folder. Okay, now I will go to Arduino code and click on compile again. Okay friends, you can see code has been compiled again successfully.